Alright, welcome to another Triplo AI video. Today we're going to talk about the new mobile version 6. And we'll do it slightly different because I'm going to record my screen and share it live with you, as you can see right now. So I'm going to open my Triplo AI, and you will immediately notice that now on the top right side of our icons we have new icons. The first one, the scraper toggle, actually. It's this spider icon here. So sometimes you don't want the URL to be processed as content, you want to treat it as a URL. So if you don't want Triplo AI to scrape the content out of it, you can turn the scraper off. But if you want to use it, so turn it back on. And let me show you an example. So I'm going to share with my Triplo AI a URL, and if I say summarize it with the scraper on, what Triplo AI will do, it will grab the content of that page and throw into your prompt to the large language model, and then it will process it. If you have the scraper off, it will not treat the URL as a content. So in this case, it will tell you that it cannot access the content of the URL. Moving on, next. So you see that we have the magnet icon here, and yes, now you can use magnets on your mobile Triplo AI also. So I'm going to open a smart prompt that I crafted here, and you see that this is a casual smart prompt. It improves content in a casual style. So right down at the bottom of the smart prompt settings, you see that we have magnets now, and you can snap models. In this case, I selected Sonnet and this instruction, the casual tone, and you could also add a mind to it. So let me show you how it works. You see that we have GPT-4o mini selected, and if I run casual, so I'm going to run casual in this sentence. How are you feeling today, my friend? When I hit send, it will change the model, trigger the instruction, and then process the prompt. So there we go. And when it's done, it will go back to its former state. So go back to GPT-4, disable the instructions, and so on and so forth. These are magnets on our Triplo AI mobile. Moving on, now we have connections on our mobile devices. And you see that I already have Strico set up with a couple of models selected here. And I'm going to switch and share my desktop screen with you, and I'm on my control center, as you can see, and we're going to set up a new I'm managing my Android phone, and we're going to add a new endpoint here. So Cerebras is the one that I selected, and all you need is the endpoint for Cerebras, and let me grab it from our documentation, and I add it here, and the API key for your account, and I'll add it here and hit save. And once I do that, you see that I have a new provider listed here, and also that I'm able to see it under my providers list. So I was searching for Sonnet, and these are the models available. Let's pick Quen32B and GLM 4.7 and hit save. And then you need, let me go back to my let me take this out and go back to my mobile phone here. You need to restart your Triplo AI mobile so it can load the new models. And then once it's done, if you check your model list, you see that we have Cerebras models here, and I'll pick GLM 4.7, and let's try hi GLM and see what we get back. So Cerebras is quite fast. Although there's no streaming, we get fast results. But the important thing is that now you can add your custom OpenAI compatible endpoints to your mobile device also. So there are lots of other small improvements on the mobile client. If you have any questions, drop us a message. Take care. Bye-bye.